So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy RBC stock, or the Royal Bank of Canada stock, here on Moomoo. So once Moomoo's opened up, go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, type in ticker symbol RY. At the top, it says Royal Bank of Canada. This is traded in US as well as Canadian. So if you're here in Canada, for example, you'll press on Canadian. If you're in the States, you'll press on US. I'll just go with Canada for this demonstration. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on Trade, and then press on Buy. On this screen, you can change the session type. You can change the order type as well. There's market, there's limit. So if you were to go market, for example, you can type in the quantity. So if you wanted to purchase 10 shares, the estimated cost will be below. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the green buy button and go with it that way. Super duper simple, super straightforward. This is how to buy RBC stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.